What's up, everybody? Guess what I've got right here? This is the Deathstalker made by Razer, and we're about to do an unboxing. And I've never even bought a keyboard that was this nice, and this is kind of blowing my mind that I own something as prestigious as this. So I'm getting pumped up. I'm taking the duct tape off because they have to duct tape these things or else I'll steal them from Walmart. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that. Peeling off like a champ. Like this thing just got sunburned. There it is, there it is, there it is. Money, 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 money. This right here is going to retail you a cool $79. Oh, and look at that box. I'm definitely going to keep that. Look, that's tight. That is tight. That is tight to the audience, But look at that. That's awesome. Right there. By gamers, for gamers. That's awesome. And I'm just going to flip this open real fast. If I can figure out how to do it. They're notorious for their crazy boxes. And this is just another one of them. Well, they couldn't have made that harder to do. Oh, well, I'm not blocking you out, but... You got your keyboard, which is pretty awesome. We'll say that right there. What else is in here? Oh, some awesome stickers. That's always amazing. Sweet little binder. It's got all of our instructions. Awesome little pads. Little postcard to send to your mother. Again, another little pad. You got all sorts of pads that you don't even need. There's nothing else in the box, so I guess that's pretty easy right here. And then here's the little crowning achievement. Are you guys ready for this? We're gonna pop this off. Pop this off for the first time ever seen. Oh, look at that bad boy right there. Oh, that's a sexy looking keyboard. I'm going to have this thing up and running. It's going to be awesome. I just wanted to do this unboxing so I'd never forget it. Here it is. You guys dug it. You saw it here first. So if you guys like this video, I'm going to have other stuff like this all the time. So keep it easy, guys. Peace.